We have a 2021 Mazda CX-30 GT TURBO all-wheel drive. Comes with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, makes snowflake white fuel color. Let's take a look inside. Coming inside, I have a nice armrest, power locks, windows and mirrors, black leather upholstery, also well, power driver, lumbar support. Hopping on inside, air vent on the left. Got your park sense audio, safety shield, power trunk, memory seat functions. Audio, radio, Bluetooth controls, automatic headlights, paddle shifters, adaptive cruise control functions, auto rain wipers for the front and your manual rear wipers. Information or infotainment or information screen for fuel efficiency monitor, Sirius XM traveling, owner's manual, and your vehicle status monitor. Entertainment, go to our source list. Got FM, AM, Sirius XM, Pandora, Bluetooth, as well as a couple of USB inputs. Communication, if you want to connect your phone via Bluetooth, you can. And if you do, you'll have access to your call history, contacts, text messages, dial pad, and other communication settings. Navigation, we do have full nav available. There is no big black screen there, it's just through the camera. I don't know why it does that when it goes in the navigation screen, but you do have that. And our settings here, you got your in-vehicle displays, sound settings, bass, treble, listening, vision, fader, balance. Safety settings here, driver assistance system, safety alerts, got our road cross traffic, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, active safety, have our lane keep assist system, collision avoidance, smart brake support for the front and the rear. Interview monitor, parking sensors, got your start stop engine button, dual zone automatic climate control function, heated seats with driver and passenger, heated steering wheel, 2 cup holders, sport mode switch, backup camera, auto hold, electronic park brake, volume rocker, your mouse, control everything on the infotainment, and little quick guide buttons there as well. Center console, USB 12 volt SD card for your nav, and a power tilt side sunroof up on your right hand side, sunglass holder, interior lighting options, sunroof controls, rear view mirror, and a garage door opener. Let's head outside. Front here over LED headlights, black and chrome finish grille, massive action in the middle, gloss black mass alloy rims, hit matching door handles, black colored mirrors with rear tinted windows. CX-30 all-wheel drive badge to the left, turbo badge on the right. Different trunk, power trunk opens up automatically for us, nice and slow. 60/40 split for the rear seats, also got a cargo cover. Spare tire in the head. That's a 50 feet the back seats. Go to the back, let's have a nice armrest, power windows, tons of legroom and headroom, the same leather upholstery you have in the front. Your air vents, insert for the back of the passenger seat there. Back to storage. Let's see what's happening. That'll wrap it up for the 2021 Mazda CX-30 GT TURBO in white color. If you have any questions or want to subscribe, please visit us at Park and Mazda.